Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Gizmo Guru. Today I'm going to be talking about the new WhatsApp chat lock feature. This is a great new way to protect your privacy and keep your conversations secure. So, what exactly is WhatsApp chat lock? It's a game-changing feature that lets you lock individual chats on your WhatsApp account. Imagine having complete control over who can access those chats, even if someone else gets their hands on your phone. Now, let me show you how to use this incredible feature. Open up your WhatsApp app, find the chat you want to lock, and tap those three dots in the top right corner. Select Chat Settings, and there it is. Lock Chat. Just enter your device password or use your fingerprint to confirm, and voila! Your chat is now under lock and key. But why should you bother with WhatsApp chat lock? Well, let me tell you. Firstly, it's all about protecting your privacy. Say goodbye to unauthorized users snooping around your private conversations. With chat lock, you're the gatekeeper to your chats. Secondly, think about keeping things confidential. Even if someone else manages to get their hands on your phone, your locked chats will remain inaccessible. Your secrets stay safe and sound. And here's an extra perk. No more accidental deletion of important messages. We've all been there, right? With chat lock, you can breathe easy, knowing your chats won't be accidentally wiped away. To sum it up, WhatsApp chat lock is a powerful tool to safeguard your privacy and ensure your conversations remain secure. If you're serious about taking control of your WhatsApp experience, this feature is an absolute must-have. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay connected for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time.